Pakistan's caretaker Minister for Information and Broadcasting has said that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a journey towards economic growth of Pakistan based on the ideals of peace, development, and win-win cooperation. Speaking at the event CPEC and My Life held in Islamabad, the minister also said that CPEC was launched as a game-changer project in Pakistan and it changed the lives of millions of people in the country.
As the CPEC projects between China and Pakistan have focused on major infrastructure, more small but beautiful projects would boost income and increase employment opportunities for the people. The enhancement of geographical linkages through improved road, rail and air transportation system will enhance frequent people-to-people contact, enhance understanding through academic and cultural linkages. The higher volume of trade and business will result into integrated development to promote harmony and sustainable development. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is the journey towards economic growth in the globalized world. It's based on the ideals of peace and development and a win-win model for all. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a great hope of our people to achieve peace, development through the growth of our mutual economies.